The Himalayan seems ideally suited for this. All right, here we go. Let it tractor up. Such an easy bike. I got here a little early, but I saw everyone was out for a ride already. So what I'm gonna do is try and get a little footage of the bikes. So, like I said, everyone kind of rolled out early. That's okay. Johnny Lewis and I are gonna go ride. So I'm gonna take this black Himalayan. See if I can figure out all the differences. It has tripper nav. I downloaded the app. We're not gonna use it so much because that's more for like point A to point B, and we're gonna do a little dirt, I think. Dash looks good. It has a new windshield. Back rack's definitely more robust than mine. Again, here's some of the different colors. This one's been pretty popular. And actually, while I'm here, look at the angle these are at. This is at a pretty steep slope. Even though it's bent over pretty good, it's not falling over. I do like the silver color. I kind of like the matte more than I do glossy. Pirellis. And the green, camo green. I don't know how to get this one, but it is kind of cool. Oh, look at this. The racks are painted green. That's pretty cool. Other ones are all black. All right, we're about to head on out. Goodbye, goodbye. Thank you. We'll meet with, we're gonna be riding with Johnny Lewis and a few ladies, and we're gonna head on out. So, let's do this. And you're gonna hear my review of the 2022 Himalayan. Alright, here we are on the 2022 Himalayan. Time is 10:51. Seat feels good, so I think it is a different seat than my 19, and beautiful Temecula day. So this bike's super easy to stand up on. I forget I have a tall seat on mine and this one is not, so you're sitting down a little more, but super comfy. Yeah, I can definitely feel a little difference on the windshield here. I'm gonna see if I can get one because it is nicer than the stock 2019 windshield. It's a little more sculptured and it's a little less buffety and a little smoother. So good job, Royal Enfield, on that windshield. I'm gonna go see if I can get one. Bike's really easy to cruise on. Top gear going on the incline, no worries. Wow, it's beautiful out. Stable in the corners enough, but flickable enough as well. We're gonna turn around. All right. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Yeah, this is kind of fun. This is pretty cool. Not really dirt, but hey, it's paved. You can kind of ride this pretty sportily. Yeehaw! Some nice houses. Fences around. It looks empty. Wow. Here we go. Now we're on some dirt. Alright, so really easily tractable. Super smooth. There's nothing. Just a little dirt road. A little bit sandy there. Let's see. A little dusty. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Just tractor up the thing. Come on. Easy, easy. Yep, 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 yep. Easy peasy. Yeah! Man, this bike is amazing. So much fun. Anyone could do it. Such an easy bike. All right, here we go. I'm gonna lead a bit. A little technical, nothing too bad. Everyone's keeping up. A really nice trail. Man, this is a mountain goat. Get everyone back into it. I don't know how good that view is going to be, but wow, this is pretty awesome. This is really my first kind of deserty ride. And the Himalayan seems ideally suited for this. All right, here we go. Let it tractor up. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Nice, nice. Well, everyone's doing nice. This Himalayan is just performing fantastic. This is really in its element. It can definitely go do some more gnarly stuff, but it is just taking this on like it's nothing, like it's absolutely nothing. These guys haven't ridden in the sand in a while for off-road, and they're doing great. Well, to be fair, I really haven't ridden off-road in a while either, but the Himalayan's doing it with a plume. They're doing great. It is just an amazing ride. Look at this. Go for it, man. I cannot do that, and he can. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah! Oh, I couldn't do it. We are flying. binding bike. Another good thing about it, just beautiful. It's so beautiful out. And adventure bikes, you can stand up on them, you can see so far. This is a great bike. I'm so happy with it. Yeah. You know. Yeah. I'm really happy with this bike. Wow, wow, holy moly, wow, are you serious? There's a camel. Whoa. Himalayan just comfortably cruising. 5th gear, 55, 60 miles an hour. Now, as I've had some time to think about the ride in the Royal Enfield 2022 versus my 2019, I can tell you that this is really just a fantastic bike, and the changes that were made were incremental but very, very good. It shows that Royal Enfield was listening to their customers. The easy handling of the bike means that anyone from most any skill level can ride the motorcycle, beginner to an expert, really. I firmly believe that. It has a lot of room to grow, and you had a lot of room to get better and better and more skilled. So that's one of the biggest traits and biggest features of this motorcycle is you have so many different growth opportunities on this one compared to other ones. It's not extremely fast, but it teaches you to keep your momentum and keep your speed up. It handles the road really well. It handles off-road very, very confidently, especially for a beginner, and you can tractor it up and go slow and not have to go fast. And that's really important for a beginner because you ride it different than a standard off-road bike. You can do single track, but you're just tractoring over everything instead of like trying to carry your speed. On road, it's pretty decently flickable. You can stand up on it. You can see very far. It's very comfortable. The seat's a better seat than the 2019, and the windshield's a better windshield. And you have a tripper nav, so it really is a do-everything motorcycle for a not-too-spendy price. I don't know any motorcycle that can compete with all the features that it has for that price. And it will do them. It will do them very, very well. Now, it's not going to be extremely fast, like I said, so you got to take that into account. But you're going to have a lot of fun on the motorcycle. It's not so heavy, not so big. It's not like a GS 1250 or a Harley Davidson Pan America. And it gets you a pretty frugal gas mileage. You're going to maybe do about 180, 200 mile range on there. Mirrors are good. The wind off your chest is pretty good. So it's a good, comfortable cruising motorcycle as well. It will do highway. It can do 80. It's counterbalanced, so it's pretty smooth. And you're going to really enjoy that part of it. It's a much smoother thumper than you think. The styling's fantastic. I think it's Mad Max and knocks it out of the park. And the community for Royal Enfield is just fantastic as well, too. So you're going to get that as well. So those are my thoughts on the 2022. You can't really approach a motorcycle of this caliber for anywhere near the price of the Himalayan. What this brings to the table is ridiculous. Just for the sheer value proposition plus the capability set and the ease of riding, I don't know a motorcycle that's as friendly as a Himalayan for an ADV bike. It's a little heavy, but when you go off-road, it works. It works. You have someone that's literally just hasn't been off-road in years, only rides a cruisers, heavy cruisers, gets on a Himalayan and just boop, gone. And keep up, no big deal. I wasn't going full out. We weren't going full out, but you can do it. You know, and it gives you the confidence to do that. What a fantastic bike. It's friendly off-road, it's friendly on the road. The specs just do not, I'm harping on, the specs just do not match the capabilities that it really has. I mean, if you want to talk specs, talk fun per, you know, talk fun per dollar. Capability per dollar. Let me talk about the brake feel. Yeah, this is definitely a little bit spongier than mine. I don't know why that is. Not horrible. So it's not horrible. It's really, I mean, I can feel it really nicely. It's just a little spongier than mine. And we are back. What a ride. Well guys, I'm done for my ride for today. It was a pretty awesome adventure out here. I got one more day in California. I'm gonna hang around and visit my brother. Huge thanks to Royal Enfield North America, Brianne Pullen. She put this all together and did a fantastic job. So again, please like and subscribe. We can continue to bring more stuff like this to you. Enjoy your Himalayan, or enjoy whatever you ride. We'll catch you on the next episode. We're at the Venice Canal. This is very cool. Checking it out. What a great day. I'm at LAX Airport, having a beer. That's going to do it for my trip. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me. Huge kudos to Royal Enfield North America, Brianne Pullen, and just really an amazing trip. All the people I met, and those that I knew and met in person. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next episode.